Sort by colors. Red, green, yellow. Well done. Blue, green, red. That's cool. Yellow, blue, green. That's spectacular. Blue, green, red. That's awesome. Red, yellow, green. Well done. I'm so impressed with your marvelous turns. You should keep it up. Under the sea. It's a crab. Submarine. Seahorse. Yellow fish. Blue fish. Purple fish. Starfish. Whale. Orange one. Seahorse. Pink fish. Orange fish. Sea turtle. Wow, it was wonderful. Have a thumbs up for you. Hungry animals. Lions. It's okay. 3. Squirrel. 2. Cat. 1. Bear. 1. Mouse. 1. Rabbits. 2. Dogs. 3. Monkeys. 2. Nice, you have done a great job, and keep going on. Farm or the wild? Pig. Dog. Hen. Cow. Giraffe. Lion. Beaver. Raccoon. Panda. Zebra. Horse. Sheep. Congratulations! You have played very well. Forest adventure. Oh, trees are getting fire. Let's call the firefighter. Put the animals in it. Beaver. Squirrel. Giraffe. Now put out the fire. Zebra. Panda. Well done. Now let's move forward. Lion, rabbit, bear, cat. That's perfect. We have reached a hospital. Augie's farm. Help Augie to harvest. Sort by size. Apple. Carrot. Banana. Nuts. Excellent. Jumping on the same ladder. J. Nice going. Wow, well done. Make a yum sandwich. Add some olives. Have some sauces. And some garnishings as well.